Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find apps that you've purchased before on the App Store. Select your profile page. Then you're going to select purchased. Here you'll be able to see all of the apps that you've downloaded. You can also find the one that you've downloaded but you've deleted as well. And you can even search for it. Voila, go here and you can reinstall it again. And that is how you can find apps that you deleted on your phone. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.